My gun is my best friend, we are always together, always, said another entry. But he seemed weary of being portrayed as a murderer. Who are they to sit and pass judgment on me? Are they themselves innocent? I am just a simple man with the desire to live. I am a man with many issues, some good some bad, but I am a person, yes, a man with emotions, feelings, and fears and dreams, a man who knows God, said another diary entry.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button. Now, I am going to talk about Cedrick Doggy Murray, the infamous leader of the Stonecrusher gang that was in Mobile. This is an interesting insight into this guy. The police caught his diary and the JDF after they kill him. And I think this was a missed opportunity for the JDF, the JCF, and the Jamaican government in fighting gang. They missed this opportunity. But I'm gonna go through his diary and give my input, and I think the government moved the wrong way on this. Let's go. Now, to understand how the Stonecrusher was formed, back in the 90s, in the northwest side of St. James, there was predominantly two main gangs. You had the Piranha and you had the Renegade. This was done in Bottom Pen. Now, most of the gang them used to do cross-border incursion, so them used to go in the next parish, go fight with stone and knife. You understand? Now, a lot of them got arrested and go jail, and then a whole heap of them gangsters there fly out of Jamaica and go a foreign. With that going, the Renegades became the most dominant gang in the community in Mobile. And after that, them renamed the gang Stonecrusher. Now, whole heap of man fly out, and Cedrick Doggy Murray was one of the man them who fly out and go a foreign after enough of the man them start go jail, and the Renegade them pretty much became the dominant gang, defeated the Piranha, and then the younger boy them now renamed the gang Stonecrusher. Now, Doggy him there foreign, and him there do enough things, cause him a sell drugs, him a lick down man, him a stepper. The man them with it there in the Stonecrusher, which is the Renegades, and go foreign, start sending down whole heap of gun. So now it start a bloody page for Montego Bay. Now, in one of the war, Stonecrusher brother, you know, Doggy, Cedrick Doggy Murray, the leader, him brother get killed in one of the war we are going. So him brother Prince get killed, him end up get deported. And when him get deported, that's when him join the gang. And that's when the bloody war and killing go on in Mobile. Now, once them rename Stonecrusher, like I said, them crush the Piranha them, you know. And anybody will come in them way. and them stop use stone and machete and knife and a straight gun. Let's go. By now, him have blood in him eye. Cedrick Doggy Murray, him brother. Then him start rub shoulder now with the bigger than them in the stone crusher. With man like
the likes of former Stone Crusher leaders Delano Bigga Crime Williams, Michael Lassie Forbes, Garfield Don Sawyers, Richard Blackslong, and Rohan Don Gordon. Doggy quickly developed a reputation as a killer.
Now when him take over by 2001, him personally, and this is history in a Jamaica history in a Montego Bay, St. James. Him bring the murder rate to over 100 in 2001. And from that day on, the murder rate in St. James never went below 100. It's 100 and more. And him do that. Now, he was a unique guy in terms of he wasn't into the day-to-day war thing, and him personally never did that extort the scammer them, cause you have the scammer them in a mobile and then Stone Crusher them start extort them. Man like bigger crime start extort the scammer them. And that's what kind of cause such a big conflict, cause the scammer them now start make money. So them a buy gun too. But this guy Cedrick Doggy, he was more of a contract killer, a hitman. So him go around all over Jamaica. You see him have link at Tivoli. And Tivoli, them link everywhere. Tivoli link a jungle, them have link a Cockburn Pen, tower. So Doggy, him a travel all over the island and a do him thing for contract money. Now, this guy, like me say, he was a unique person. Listen to this out of his diary.
I have to rise above my circumstances. I just can't lay down. I am now in exile while Babylon a curfew everywhere, Doggy wrote in the diary. Within a 3-year span, all of the top men, except for Doggy, were killed in alleged confrontations with the police. I have seen all my friends killed by the police in cold blood or shootout. I make no excuse for my past. I am a real gangster hardcore. Babylon has labeled me a threat to the society because they can't kill me and the people love me.
By this time now, things get hot for him. So this is when him cut from Mobile and go at Tivoli. This was around 2008. And I guess Dodos and President Click are supplying with gun and money and all sort of things. So him praise Dodos and the Coke family, Jim Brown. He must say, yo, Jim Brown, and them think they in him diary. But him not even know Jim Brown. But that's what he did after him start get hot and him cut go at Tivoli. And me have to talk a little bit about that. But overall, I had read one thing in the paper a long time ago and I want to talk about it. And I think this had to do with the Jim Brown situation. But me I talk about that in another video. So let's move on. Me I tell you what go on now. Him end up go at Tivoli. And when him go at Tivoli, the police them get intelligence said that he was in Tivoli Garden. And the police got intelligence that the Stone Crusher them in a Tivoli Garden. So the police went into Tivoli to try and flush them out. When the police got Tivoli for them, 5 people end up dead and a JDF soldier get injured. Them end up escape from Tivoli, but the police end up catch Calvert, the boy, right here so. And then my youth, he was still on the run until police end up killing Doggy, Cedrick Doggy, Murray. When them kill him, that's when them get him diary. And that's when I think it was a missed opportunity. I'm gonna explain and play some of the inserts from his diary. Now, before him dead, it was said that him threatened St. James Member of Parliament. We all know who that was or who that is, Mr. Chang. And after that, him start recruit a whole heap of a man and whole heap of new player in the Stone Crusher. This is just before him dead. And bring all of the tall up them go a garden doing the incursion. During the incursion, him did their garden and him did a help fight for Dudus and the Coke family. But like me say, him running a little bit of problem, so that's why him end up have to recruit a bag of man and bring all of the tall up them go Tivoli go fight the incursion, because him kinda bring heat to the man them at Tivoli when him threaten the politician. So when you see how Jamaica run, him threaten him out their body now and I kill people. And that wasn't so much a big issue as to when him threaten the politician. And once him threaten the politician, which is Chang, his days was number. Now, like I said, them end up kill him and them find him diary. And I am gonna play a couple clips out of him diary. And that's why I said the Jamaica government at this time, they really missed a time where them could have used this youth diary and use this situation to develop a policy. I'm going to explain that after I play some of my diary excerpt.
The politician that say I threaten him. I have never seen him face to face or ever spoken to him, and I am no gang member or leader. I am being used to clean their slate, said an entry in the reported Doggy diary. Invasion of Tivoli Garden by Babylon the enemy. Gunshots rang out from every corner of West Kingston and other places of KGN to protect the man Don of all Dons. Christopher Koch, aka Judas, Doggy wrote of the May 24, 2010 incursion. The man they came after is still free and safe, my Don and friend always. It was a raging gun battle, a day I won't forget, and such tragedy for Jamaica. More than 75 people dies by Babylon, man, baby, and woman. I escaped one of the last from where I was under crazy gunfire, but God grace, mercy brought me out untouched and my Don is free, added Doggy. Days later, another diary entry speaks to a close brush with the law. Dem come 4 a.m. pure men but we escape. I have never made such an escape before. That was after the arrest of Koch, an incident which seemed to touch Doggy. I am deeply affected, but he is still and always will be my Don. I now wonder what with both brothers in jail, Judas and Levity, and TG, Tivoli Gardens, in a state of confusion, what's next with Babylon. Also, can me a wanted man ever return? But still TG will build back, a June 22nd diary entry said. My days is coming. If my friends do it, it will be quick, but if is Babylon, it will be a day of war. Every day I regret how this all began. Sometimes I just want to pull the trigger and commit suicide, another diary entry said.
No, that was him doing all them entry in him diary. And you hear me talk about suicide and politicians are using to clean them slate and the whole works. So my thing, how is this a missed opportunity? When they got his diary, I think the police them should have developed a policy where they go after more intelligence in terms of what these guys are writing, what they're saying, what they're doing, how they think, and use this to develop a profile. And when you develop a profile, you will be able to anticipate their moves and what they're thinking and what they're doing, and you can able to solve crime better. You need a profile. So if I was in the government and I got that, my first thing would be, instead of kill them and throw them in a back of a truck and go dump them in a morgue, I would go more after intelligence. Get these guys, talk to them, probe their minds, see how they think, and use that information to create a better policy to fight crime. Now, I'm about to go, and like I said, I feel this is an interesting guy and he's unique and it's a missed situation, but there is, I know where the fundamental flaw is with the policy of Jamaica and in terms of fighting crime and these gangs, and I'm going to explain it in another video. So I want you guys to stay tuned, because I really don't want to give it away, but this guy right here is a precursor to what was coming in the future. And I think the government saw it, and they never really moved towards fixing that, and then things get out of control. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click on another video. My name is Countryman, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button and check out the WhatsApp group. I'm out.